custom venture. Okay, we'll say a big thank you to all our subscribers, everyone making comments, positive comments, recommendation, and all that. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Today I'll be cutting a simple fabric, which many of us we need. How to cut your bed sheets, your bed cover. Okay, I will be working with the length of I will be working for the length of the two types of bed, the 4.5 by 6, and of course the 6 by 6 bed. Okay, if you need the bed sheet for the 6 by 6, usually the fabric is about 92 beyond by length, so that one will automatically cover the length of the bed, of the mattress. Okay, sorry, mattress, and then remaining the width. So for the 6 by 6 mattress, you will need 3 yards of this fabric to have it fully covered. 3 yards. So all you need to do is already have my 3 yards here. So all I just need to do is take the side. It's very simple. Just take the side. It's 3 yards for the 6 by 6. But if it's 4.5 by 6 feet, it's still the same length you are going to use. That's about 90 beyond that, and then the width of them will be 2.5 yards for the width of the 4.5 mattress. It's as simple as that. All you need to do is just to tape it by the side. Okay, so simple. So let's go to this pillow sleeve. There's where the work is. Let's go. We'll be using 1 yard cut. This is a yard. The length, of course, the width is 36, and the length is 92. As I said, usually 92 and above. You buying fabric for the sheet, you should buy the one with length of 92 and above. Okay, so how I will cut. I folded the 1 yard this way, so I will cut it, divide it by this. Okay, cut it by 9 to 2. So I fold this one this way. Usually the standard pillow sleeve should be 20 by 28. Okay, 20 by 28. So I haven't cut it this way. I haven't cut it this way. It's unfold again. So I pierce it here, cut it into 2 here again. So by this one, by the time I tape it, by the time I run my stitch, it will end up in 18 by 20 by 28. I cut it this way again. Let me quickly explain how it's going to be sewn. I haven't cut it this way. Okay, so my sewing is going to be this way. I measure. Okay, I measure my. You see, I haven't cut it into 2. So from the upper part, I'm going to measure 7 inches. Connect it together. So it's from this 7 inches. I fold this one, tape the tip, then the same thing, tape the tip of this one first, then I folded that 7 inches inside here. I haven't taped the edges. I folded the 7 inches inside. Okay, I've taped this one too. So my 7 inches up here, I fold it this way. Do we understand it? Look at it. The first one was face positive to positive, the right side to the right side. That will be the inside. then the other side, the positive over the negative over the wrong one, the right side over the wrong one. Then I tape it round and I fold it in such a way that it will not be. That's it. Let's go to the machine. Pillow sleeve with the bed sheet. Isn't it beautiful?